Hi, it's Alex from Knife Point Gear, and today I'm going to show you the basics on how to use a strop. First off, we have a handful of ways you can hold the strop. You can simply hold it in your hand. You can clamp it in a vise. Set it on a grippy material like this tool mat, or a thin pot holder works well too. Or you can simply clamp it in place on your workbench. Once you find a method to hold the strop in place that feels best to you, we can go ahead and place a knife on the surface of the strop at approximately the same angle we sharpened at. And starting at the tip or the heel of the blade, applying light to moderate pressure, pull the knife backwards across the surface of the strop. Generally speaking, you can use alternating passes, flipping the knife each pass. If you find the burr is favoring one side versus the other, focus your passes on that side until the burr is removed from that side. Then go back to alternating passes to further refine the edge. If you don't know what angle your knife was sharpened at, don't worry. Simply place the knife onto the strop and tilt the blade until the apex touches the surface of the strop. Add light pressure and strop backwards. It's important not to apply too much pressure. Let the abrasive do the work. Applying too much pressure can cause the leather to roll over the apex and round over the edge. Not a good thing. This might take some experimentation to get right, as it's hard to convey pressure in a video. My suggestion is very light pressure and add as you go. So that is the very basics of how to use a strop. Remember, these are just the basics, and there's a lot of different techniques and methods you can use in order to get the most out of the particular edge that you're sharpening. If you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please visit us at www.knifepointgear.com, where we'll be doing future videos on how to get the most out of your stropping technique and how to get the most out of your edge. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time.